Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Keto and the Chaos. My name is Tammy. It's Sunday, December 9th, 2018, and it's weigh-in day. Hello, everyone. I hope your Sunday is going really well. We had a great morning, despite the fact that we got home so late last night. We didn't pull in until about midnight last night, and Jasper actually didn't go to sleep until 1 a.m., and the poor kid had to get up at 7:30 for church. So he's been a little ornery, a little cranky today, but understandably so. It has been a hard day for all of us. Yesterday was really difficult. We had a lot going on, and I think I may have actually hit my limit of what I can do in a day. It was tough. Anyway, I know that's not why you guys are here, so I just want to get straight to the weigh-in so we can talk about that. Let's see what I weighed in as this morning. As you can see, I weighed in today at 191.6. That is a 1.3 pound loss from last week, and I also lost 3/4 of an inch off my body, so that was pretty good. I'm kind of disappointed in the amount of loss because, as you guys know, I usually have 2 weeks where I put on water weight and then a week where I drop a lot and then a week where I drop a little bit. And this was supposed to be my week that I dropped a lot of weight. If you've been watching Vlogmas, you'll see that I did actually go back down to 188, but then came back up. I don't know if that's because I'm overeating fats, or maybe if I've accidentally gone over my carbs. I've been doing the best that I can, but like I said, it's been a really, really difficult week. And trying to keep up with 2 channels has really been harder than I expected. And I may have bitten off a little bit more than I could chew in the middle of Nutcracker season with all of our dance performances coming up and all of that. That is why there was not a video on either channel this morning, because last night there was just no way. But you will be proud of me. Last night at dinner, my 22-year-old son actually offered to edit my Vlogmas for me, the one that was supposed to go up yesterday, because you see I didn't get it up yesterday either because of how crazy the day was, and he offered to edit it for me last night, and I let him. I just watched it. There was a couple of tweaks I just sent him to do, and I'm not sure which video will go up first. You definitely should check out that video, especially if you're curious what ended up happening with the $40 that the lady gave me from Walmart. So it has a little bit of an update on that, and also, most importantly, there is an update on the magazine that is very important. So I wouldn't miss that if I were you. I do want to continue with Vlogmas. The first few episodes went really, really well. They were well received, and I feel like they got a lot of views. Even the one that wasn't as well received got a ton of views. Isn't that how it is? If anything's controversial, it tends to be the one that gets the most views. But, you know, I can't always be overly emotional or controversial every single day in order to get it to be interesting enough to click. So I feel like it's kind of gone well and not so well, because the videos that haven't been as emotional or have been more about my normal life, like the dance mom video, hasn't got as much traction, which is understandable. I know there's a lot of channels to watch on YouTube, and you guys are here to watch keto stuff, not to just watch me, you know, doing my girl's hair or whatever else. You know, I get that. That's totally fine. I totally get that. But it does make it harder to kind of keep that push behind me, knowing that it may or may not be well received or even watched because of length or subject matter and things like that. I put a lot of myself into these videos. I put a lot of time into them. I am losing sleep and things like that for them. So unless it's really benefiting people, it's not really worth doing, especially when I'm putting the same content on the other channel with a little bit more detail. I'm trying to cut it down as much as possible for this channel. This last one was really difficult to cut because it had a lot in it that was important, but for the other ones, I've been trying to cut them to be as short as possible. If you have a chance to get by and check them out, I would be really grateful. It does help me when you watch the video, even if you don't watch it all the way through. Of course, watching it all the way through is always good, but it does help when you give a like. It does help when you give a comment. All of those things, if you take the time to do those, definitely help my videos to be able to be seen. And considering the update for the magazine, that is going to become more important than ever before very soon, sooner than we were expecting. So you may want to go check that out. And yes, I am blatantly trying to encourage you to go watch the Vlogmas videos so that you'll watch the Vlogmas video. But that's my prerogative. I can do that if I want to. So how do I feel about the weigh-in? I'm a little disappointed, but you know what? Like I said, I am all about maintaining this month. I'm still in the 190s. I'm in the very low 190s. I'm totally fine with that. I feel great. I feel prepared to do my dance recital tomorrow. I'm looking forward to getting up there and clogging away my short little elf dress. Woo! And hopefully it won't be too mortifying and I'll remember all the steps. As far as weight loss goes, I'm feeling really positive. As far as what I'm eating, I'm feeling like I'm doing best I can in the situation that I'm in right now. And I feel like I'm doing fairly well. I hope that you guys have enjoyed watching Vlogmas and seeing what I'm eating there. I will not be doing What to Eat Wednesdays while I'm doing Vlogmas, and I have decided I am not going to finish the one that I missed. I'm sorry, you guys, if I disappointed you by letting that footage go. In order for me to keep going, I need to be able to find things that I can eliminate, and that one is one of the ones that's not as important, because I will go back to doing those at the first of the year, and you guys will be able to see what I'm eating again. I have been eating really similarly, but you'll see as in the Vlogmas videos that I am extremely busy, and I am not eating till very late in the day most days, and sometimes I'm eating gas station meals and things like that and fast food because we're pushing right now. Like literally my entire life is a push, and I don't want to break down, and I don't want to lose my cool, and I want to be able to be calm and happy and help you guys. So that's my goal, is to just find some things that I can eliminate, and that one is going to be one of them, and I hope that that is okay with you guys. As of now, I'm still planning on doing the live chat on Tuesday. I have some ideas on what I want to talk about, and I hope that it's going to be well received, and I'm looking forward to chatting with you guys. So don't forget that I do the live chat Tuesdays at 11, because that is the time that you guys are actually able to interact with me and ask me questions and things like that, and I will answer you directly right here face to face, which is really helpful for a lot of people. I mean, answering via text and via Facebook is helpful, but that's why I started this YouTube channel, because being able to talk to someone is even more so helpful than that. Does that make sense? So don't miss the live chat if you can help it. It's the 11 a.m. at Mountain Time. I will put up a notification image if for some reason it doesn't work out, but as of now, I am planning on doing that. Also, if you made it this far into the video, I know you are my big, huge, awesome, loyal supporters. I know a lot of people just make it to the weigh-in, they get disappointed or happy for me or annoyed or whatever, they thumbs up, they thumbs down, and then they move on. And that's cool. But those of you who have made it this far are the people that are making this channel successful, and the ones that are really rooting for me, and the ones that I really want to help. I just wanted to remind you guys that you may have missed that I do have a Teespring store available now. I have mugs and t-shirts and like exercise pants available in 2 different designs. They're super cute designs. One of them is just the Keto Chaos logo, and another one is, it just says carnivorous across the front, and on the back it says Keto and the Chaos. My family is grateful for your support in anything that you can do to support this channel, but also to support us in our new venture with the Teespring. If it does well, I will make some new designs, some fun stuff that you guys will be interested in purchasing and wearing, that it's going to show off your keto lifestyle and be an icebreaker for people that might ask you questions, and just kind of be something that you can use to encourage conversation about keto. So that's what I'm hopeful for. So if they do well, I will continue on with that. If they don't, then I just have to let it go, because it's just another one of those things. I can only do things that are successful at this point, because my life has now become to the point where I have to choose between things, because there is not enough time in the day to do all the things I want to do, which is really hard for me, because I have a lot of things I love and a lot of things I like to do. But when it comes right down to it, I have to choose me and my kids and my family over YouTube and over different projects and over photography and all that stuff. So if you made it this far, thank you for being my loyal supporter. Thank you for thinking about looking at the Teespring. Thank you for watching, for listening, for helping, for being supportive, for giving me that push to keep going. You guys are the reason that I am still here and that I'm being successful, and I'm so grateful for every single one of you. So thanks so much for watching this video, and I hope that it helps you to feel motivated to keep going, and I will see you next week for the 102nd weigh-in. It's kind of crazy. And I'll talk to you all again soon.